This industrial safety analysis evaluates the mechanical failures and safety violations during a heavy lifting operation. The primary failure was a miscalculation of the center of gravity cog. Because the machinery was asymmetrical and rigged symmetrically, it tilted and swung violently upon leaving the ground. Workers were positioned in the line of fire, standing too close and attempting to stabilize the multi-ton load by hand, leaving no room for egress. Furthermore, the lack of a spreader beam, the absence of taglines, and the failure to perform a 4-inch trial lift allowed the incident to escalate. To prevent such disasters, sites must enforce a strict hands-off policy, establish clear exclusion zones, and conduct a thorough job safety analysis (JSA). This preventable incident highlights how technical errors and procedural bypasses lead to industrial catastrophe. This forklift incident highlights a critical failure in industrial safety due to improper load management and procedural negligence. The operator attempted to lift an oversized, overweight cargo that far exceeded the vehicle's rated capacity, shifting the center of gravity beyond the front axle and stripping the machine of its stability. By raising the load to a significant height while in motion, the unit became dangerously top-heavy, leading to a catastrophic chain reaction where the forklift pitched forward and crushed the cab of a nearby red semi-truck. This disaster was compounded by a lack of safety buffers and exclusion zones for bystanders. To prevent such property damage, operators must adhere to the load center principle, keep forks low during transport, and ensure all unauthorized personnel remain outside a designated 10-foot safety perimeter at all times. This forklift incident highlights a critical failure in visibility and operational safety. With a large load obstructing the forward line of sight, the operator reversed without clear awareness of the pedestrian who had entered the rear blind spot. The ground worker was positioned in a high-risk crush zone between a stationary truck and the moving machine. By attempting to manually push a heavy load, the individual shifted their center of gravity, causing a fall into the vehicle's path when their footing failed on industrial debris. Due to the forklift's massive counterweight and high inertia, it could not stop instantaneously despite the low speed. The lack of eye contact and poor housekeeping transformed a minor slip into a catastrophic event. Maintaining a 10-foot safety radius and establishing positive communication with operators are essential to prevent such tragedies.